Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So this is kind of the second part of our dual videos here. I just did a video on this beautiful Curtis compressor, okay? And now we're talking about the ARO air hose reel here. We did them in a beautiful matching set. However, we are offering them separately. But if somebody buys one, I suggest they buy the other. We did it in matching colors. This is also a dark wine candy apple paint on here. So it was completely taken apart. All the chrome went one way. The paint went the other way. We had our custom graphics guy come in and hand do the air and the stripe here, as well as we built a custom stand for it. Typically this would have been either mounted on the floor or mounted on the wall, okay? But we think that you should be able to set it by your compressor should you buy this. So we built this custom free stand here for it. Everything has been chromed, everything's been taken apart, everything's been chromed. It's done in a beautiful candy apple. It has a brand new 25-foot air hose in it, and we put a nice vintage antique, what do you call these fellas? You know, that thing, turn it on and off. So, but we built it as a set, but we're offering them separately. But once again, should you want one, I suggest you get the other. This is 1950s, all steel, beautiful, works good. You can plug it in, hook it up, run it, etc. This is just a stunning set here, folks. So we'll put them on one pallet. So this is just a beautiful setup, and we want to thank everybody for watching our videos. You guys are chiming in, giving us nothing but great praise. We appreciate all of your comments, and we'll keep making them if you keep watching them. Beautiful set. Somebody's going to really have a showstopper here. Anyway, thank you so much.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.